the sound of music. Evelyn? Hey, Evelyn! Something is wrong with Evelyn. Why she can't hear me?
Hi, Mrs. Isabel. Evelyn's marks are getting deteriorated day by day. She is not responding in class. Better go for a medical checkup.
Isabel, it is discovered that her hearing was severely impaired, and as a result, there is a gradual nerve damage. She should be fitted with a hearing aid.
Dr. John, what are you saying? Evelyn? Is she? Oh my god. What's that instrument she's using? Is it a xylophone? Even I wanted to play that.
Okay, dear, we'll try with some percussion lessons.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Evelyn. I need to learn music, but I don't have the sense of hearing. Please help me to learn music.
Sure, Evelyn, I will teach how to do two large drums with different notes. But remember one thing, don't listen through your ears. Try to sense it some other way. We will start now.
Suddenly, I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down.
Then you have started learning music, Evelyn. Come on, you can do it. We can crack it. Happy birthday, my child. Now you have turned 16. Tell me, what gift you want?
Papa, one more good news. I have auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history, says the Academy.
Congrats, dear. I'm very proud of you. This is a heroic achievement. Ma'am, how can you speak flawlessly with a Scottish lilt and manage to learn French and master basic Japanese?
My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11.
Ma'am, can you please explain how you're feeling the music in your body?
As for music, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When I play the xylophone, I can sense the sound passing up the stick into my fingertips. By leaning against the drums, I can feel the resonance flowing into my body. On a wooden platform, I remove my shoes so that the vibration passes through my bare feet and up my legs.
Not surprisingly, Miss Evelyn delights her audience. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Miss Evelyn, many celebrities has honored you for your achievement. God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully.
She is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go.
Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped people who looked at her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to the millions. Deborah Cowley.